Good evening, everybody. Current temperatures, what we're looking at in the 30s for some of us. You're down in the 40s there in Robinson at 41. And after a day today in the 50s, this really isn't too bad. But if you've been outside the past couple of hours, you've noticed the winds have changed direction. They're out of the northwest. And again, we're just finding it's changing. It's getting colder outside. Skies have cleared back up a little bit, not completely cloud filled yet. They'll be completely cloud-filled by tomorrow morning and through again most of the day tomorrow. 35 up in Rockville, 41 in Vincennes. These are your current numbers as mentioned. 33 in Paris. Wind speeds anywhere from 5 to 10, 13 miles per hour down to Vincennes. A few zeros showing up right now in Paris as well as Mattoon. Those winds are going to add to the wind chill. We've got a wind chill the next several days. Those winds are going to be out of a cold direction, so therefore wrap up again tomorrow morning. Today, maybe a light jacket. Didn't have to take too much as you went out and about. But tomorrow, stocking caps for the kids. Maybe get the gloves just because of the winds, but for sure, back to the winter coats tomorrow. 31 is the wind chill in Terre Haute. 35 in Rockville, feels like 34 in both Robinson and Vincennes. All right, out to the northwest. We were talking earlier about watch this batch of snow here. Watch how this up in Iowa stays a little bit organized with rain on one side, snow on the other. That kind of system is what's going to move down to the south and move in. And while we've just got some clouds right now, the thick clouds are still out to the west, and this system still looks to move through, but it's not going to be as ominous as it may look or seem, or the way I'm perceiving it to be to you right now. Because at 11 o'clock tonight, the only snow we really see out there is some lake effect snow coming off the lake with the winds out of that direction. Warm waters, the temperature is going to be colder than the water. That's why they get that. 7 a.m. in the morning, upper 20s, and we've got a bit of cloud cover. But I'm going to advance this from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and stop it right there. Start to see some moisture showing up here, or some colors in purples, the pink color that is, and some blues. What that is just some wintry precipitation. It's a mix. It's a wintry mix outside for a few of us south of I-70 right around the commute time tomorrow morning. More of a light blue, which would be more of some light snow as the temperatures change and get colder. Even though it's going to try to warm up a couple degrees tomorrow, the whole atmosphere is changing. I mean, it was 52 today, lower 50s for most of us. Essentially what we've got tomorrow, a wintry mix in the morning, not looking for any major accumulations. A few slick spots will be out there, but it looks like a bigger event's trying to come in next Tuesday, but it does stay cold tomorrow. Mid-30s, about 34, 35. Cold northwest winds blowing around. That's through 6 o'clock tomorrow. How about tomorrow night with the skies trying to clear up a little bit? We get into the upper teens. 2 areas of some snow showers, one to the north along the lake, down to the southwest and southern Missouri. We stay dry tomorrow night into Saturday. No chance for snow at that point, and temperatures will be cold enough for snow. Your high on Saturday, 27. 27, that's it. We stay in the 20s. That is very, very much below average. Out there will be about 27, 28, and again, bring back a little bit of sunshine. So to recap what we've got, 28 your low tonight. Becoming cloudy, light snow showers outside, a brief wintry mix possible in the morning. If you run into any of that, remember, it doesn't take much. Slick spots will be out there. 35. Your daytime high tomorrow with those gusty winds out of the northwest. 18, obviously going to be colder tomorrow night. 70 forecast, we have one warm day out of the next 7 days. And the reason is a warm front moves in and a cold front takes over right behind it. So we have a chance for rain on Monday, colder temperatures for Tuesday, and that's why we're forecasting a light measurable snow near 1 inch possible next Tuesday.